Verbs That Love Gerunds, an easy guide to mastering English grammar. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on the fabulous world of English grammar. Today we are going to talk about an interesting concept: verbs followed by gerunds. Specifically, we'll dive into how gerunds are formed. This might seem challenging, but don't worry. We'll break it down into manageable parts to make it easier to understand. First things first, let's clarify what a gerund is. A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and works as a noun in a sentence. Sounds complicated? Not really. Let's take an example. I enjoy reading. In this sentence, reading is a gerund, a verb form used as a noun that follows the verb enjoy. Remember, gerunds always end in ing. They're easy to spot. Now that we've defined what gerunds are, let's dive into how we can form them. It's quite straightforward. To form a gerund, we simply add ing to the base form of the verb. For instance, run becomes running, read becomes reading, eat becomes eating. However, there are a few spelling rules to consider when adding ing. Let's have a look at them. Subsection 2.1. Doubling the final consonant. When a verb ends in a vowel followed by a consonant, we often double the last consonant before adding ing. For example, sit becomes sitting, and run becomes running. This rule typically applies to one-syllable verbs. So, visit does not become visiting, but visiting, as it has two syllables. Subsection 2.2. Dropping the silent e. When a verb ends with a silent e, we usually drop the e before adding ing. For instance, come turns into coming, and write becomes writing. Subsection 2.3. No changes for verbs ending in ee or ie. When a verb ends in ee or ie, there's no change needed. Just add ing. For example, see becomes seeing, and die turns into dying. There you go. That's your crash course in forming gerunds in English. Once you understand these rules, you'll be able to identify and use gerunds more confidently in your conversations and writings. Practice makes perfect, so why not try making some sentences with gerunds? Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, and you'll keep improving. Until next time, happy learning!